Pastor Kevin Simit, the St. James alleged called co-accused killer to return to court in March. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 32-year-old Andre Ruddock, the St. James man who has been implicated in the murder of a female member of the Pathway International Kingdom Restoration Ministries in the parish of St. James on Sunday, October the 17th of last year, was remanded in custody and set to reappear in court on March 4th when his psychiatric evaluation report is to be presented. Ruddock is charged with the murder of a former appliance trader's employee, Tamika Gardner, during the deadly church ritual, where two other persons were killed also in that day, and two others seriously injured and had to be hospitalized. Ruddock appeared remotely in the Home Circuit Court in downtown Kingston last Thursday, where his case against him was mentioned, and his attorney indicated to the court that he needed more time in order to examine the report. Reports are that on October 17, several members of the church were ordered by their leader, Pastor Kevin Simit, who is now deceased, to come dressed in white, where they will be living in an ark. Later that night, Simit hosted a deadly ritual where he and Ruddock allegedly started to sacrifice members of the church, which included a female and also a male who has so far been identified as Michael Brown. When law enforcement officers reached the location, they were attacked by a group of angry church members while Simit and Ruddock were arrested. Ruddock gave a caution statement in the presence of his two justices of the peace, and while he and Simit were being transported to Kingston on October 25th, one of the vehicles in which they were traveling crashed and Simit was killed along with the police constable Orlando Irons. We'll continue to track this story and provide with more information to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.